The digital economy is shifting. In 2026, the gap between those who struggle and those who thrive comes down to one thing: how you use artificial intelligence. Most people use AI to ask simple questions. But the wealthy? They use AI to build automated systems. Welcome to VaultVantage AI. Today, I'm opening the vault to show you the 3 specific tools you can use right now to build a passive income stream from scratch with zero investment. First, let's talk about the biggest hurdle: content creation. We all know that video is king, but not everyone wants to be on camera. That is where tool number 1 comes in: InVideo AI. This isn't just a video editor, it's a full-scale production house. You simply provide a prompt, and the AI generates the script, pulls high-quality stock footage, and assembles a professional video in minutes. This allows you to run multiple faceless channels simultaneously, dominating niches from finance to travel without ever showing your face. But a great video needs a great voice. Robotic, monotone narrators are a thing of the past. To truly engage an audience, especially in high-paying markets like the US and UK, you need tool number 2, ElevenLabs. This is the world's most advanced AI audio platform. It creates voices that are indistinguishable from real humans. You can choose professional narrators with perfect accents that build trust with your viewers. By combining ElevenLabs with your video content, you create a premium experience that keeps people watching longer, which is the secret to going viral. Now, for the most powerful tool in the shed: AI agents. While tools like ChatGPT give you answers, AI agents, like those found in Taskade or AutoGPT, actually perform tasks. Imagine having a digital employee that researches trending topics, writes your SEO descriptions, and manages your upload schedule while you sleep. This is the future of automation. By setting up these agents, you aren't just a creator, you are a business owner. You focus on the strategy, while the AI handles the manual labor. The tools are free to start, and the opportunity is massive. But here's the truth: tools are useless if you don't take action. The links to everything I mentioned today are in the description below. If you're ready to stop watching and start building, hit that subscribe button and join us here at VaultVantage AI. Your financial vantage point starts today. I'll see you in the next one.